Hi, this is Kent Schrum with St. Louis Foundation Repairs. We're on the Kirkwood foundation piering and wall stabilization project, which also turned into a drain tile project. So I shot a video a couple of days ago where we discovered that the drain tile that originally was here was setting up about 4-5 inches higher. No water was getting to the drain tile. So the homeowner agreed to have us to go ahead and put in the drain tile. We reused the existing drain tile because they did spend a lot of money on that system several years ago, so we were able to salvage the original drain tile. But we dug a ditch alongside the footing, got the drain tile down next to the footing where the water actually is, as opposed to up higher where no water was getting into the drain tile. The homeowner did not, however, want to remove the bathroom that was here, so we are just reconnecting into this area here to be able to save the bathroom and not have to tear the shower and the bathroom out. So we have remedied the drain tile problem. We'll run it into the existing sump pump. Today we're going to pour the floor. We're also going to lay some drain mat over the top of this that will also come up on the top side of the floor, which will also help prevent water from getting into the basement in the future. So contact us for all of your foundation repair needs. Again, I'm Kent Schrum with St. Louis Foundation Repairs. Call us at 314-520-9515. You can also visit our website at stlouisfoundationrepairs.com.